Hey guys, how's it going? It's Rob the Jeweler here. So today we're going to be working on a Figaro slash Cuban style necklace that I'm not really a big fan of. This is a hollow Cuban style necklace. It's broke in two places. It's broke here and broke here by the clasp. So this is not my favorite of clasps to do, but we're gonna tackle it, or clasp necklaces, but we're gonna tackle it anyways. So here is what we're going to do. We're going to try we're going to attempt to do this. I say attempt, I can do it, but I'm not a big fan of these hollow Cuban Figaro style necklaces. Not a huge fan of them at all. But that's okay. What we're going to try to do here is get it linked in here like it's supposed to be. We got one side that's already cracked. So one link is already cracked. We're going to try to get it pushed through there. There we go. You got it. Okay. Now what we're going to do is grab our tweezers here. Not those. Gotta find them real quick here. They're buried somewhere, I'm sure. I don't know this. Nah, can't use that. Can't use that. There we go. I think this will work. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and line up set our necklace up here, like so. And we got our crack up on the top here. Let me flip this over this way. Then we got our split right on the top here. So we're going to go ahead and put some denatured alcohol and some flux and see if we can't get this baby to solder closed. So we're going to be using a 3 tip for this. Number 3 tip for our torch. And again, we're using propane and oxygen. If it even wants to light. You just let that burn off for a second there. So that burn. Yep. There, restart it again. I don't know what it is with this torch. For some reason, when you use smaller tips, it takes a little bit to get it to work for you. For some reason, one of these days, I'm gonna break down and get a new torch. That's what I really need to do. We're gonna switch to a 4 tip. We can use a 4 on this. It might even be that tip. That tip might just be bad. I got another 3 tips somewhere, but I'm not gonna go searching for it right now. There we go. Okay. So let's go ahead and cut us a piece of solder off of here. This is 10-karat necklace, so we're going to use 10-karat solder. I'm going to put some flux on here so our solder will flow easy, hopefully not jump all over the place on us. I'm going to flux this bad boy up. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and grab our solder, get it on our pick. And we're going to heat this bad boy up, let the flux kind of burn off a little bit. Come on, baby. Alright, we got one spot to go through. It's kind of why I don't like these hollow necklaces, because it usually takes a couple pieces of solder to get it filled in. You can't just weld it like a solid necklace. It uses up more solder. Flip this bad boy around here. Alright, let's get one more piece on top and then we might be good here. Okay. One more. Alright, let's see what this looks like here on the other side. Looks beautiful. You can see we got our, I'll get that into focus here. We have our link soldered there. So let's pull this bad boy off. Let's go ahead and clean that link up, and then we'll go ahead and weld the other one after we get this one cleaned up real quick. And basically what we're going to do is just smooth this out. Okay. Alright, that's one part done. So we got these links like they kink up real bad. That's not good. That means this necklace has been probably stretched, which I'm sure it has, since it was broken in 2 places. When these links get stretched like that, they kink up like this. You can see it in the middle there. Let's see if I can get that out of there. It'll be a little bit hard for them to get them to break free, unfortunately. Come on. There we go. We got it out. Okay. So now, let's go ahead and work on this other end. We got another part here that's broke. Okay, so we don't have a link here that's split, so we're gonna have to make one here. Alright, well that link was bad. That link wasn't even good. Yeah, this necklace has definitely been shot. But that's okay, we're gonna fix it, but whoever's got it, they gotta be careful with it, man, because these links are stretched. Big time. Alright, let's see here. Try to cut another link here. Because that one was just bad. Alright, let's see if we can get this bad boy woven in here. Get it in the link. Thing does not want to weave in there for some reason. There we go. We got it. Alright. Alright, we got this segment. Okay, now basically we're just going to be doing the same thing that we did with the other loop. We're going to be putting some boric acid fuchsia alcohol on it. Light that up a little bit. And put our flux on here. So there's a piece of solder off here. And we'll probably have to use a couple pieces. Be nice if we didn't have to, but we may have to. You know what? That might be cool if we were able to do that in one. No, we're going to have to use one more piece. Dang it. I was gonna say it'd be nice if we only had to use one piece there. Alright. Let's go ahead and get us another piece here. Let's crank this torch down a little bit. It's trying to change on me a little bit there. And again, remember we're using a 4 tip on the torch. Oh, can you get it? I think we got it. I think we got it. I think we got it. Alright. Let's go ahead and pull that off. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and smooth out the edges here. Or smooth out the length, I should say. Not really edges, per se. Alright. Let's go ahead and turn the torch off here. As you can see, we got our necklace all back together. I'm not going to show you each of the individual links, just I might do that when I come back after we clean it. Just because it'd be kind of hard to focus into here. But let's go clean it up and see what it looks like. Alright guys, we're back with that necklace. As you can see, we got it clean, got it polished, got it looking nice. If you got the tools to fix it yourself, this is Rob the Jeweler, and if you'd like and subscribe, that would be fantastic. And if you'd also like to help a working man out, you can also donate, and the links will be in the description. This is Rob the Jeweler, and I'll see you on the next one.